What's up guys, I'm Bryce. I wanted to show you a quick way if you ever get air filter oil on your hands working on your car, truck, motorcycle, to show you how well our all-natural hand cleaner works at taking this stuff off. So I have some brand new K&N air filter oil right here, as well as some Maxima spray-on air filter oil. I'm gonna put them both on my hands, check it out. Pretty nasty stuff. I know a lot of the times you'll wear gloves when you're changing an air filter, but a lot of the times there's residue when you're pulling the filter out, putting it back in, greasing it up in a bag. Stuff is nasty, man, it stinks. Whew. I'll let this dry and tacken up for just a couple minutes, show you how well our hand cleaner works. All right, so you guys can clearly see that oil all over my hands, nasty, sticky, stinky stuff. I'm gonna use some of our hand cleaner grip clean. Take this stuff off. You can tell right away the soap started out brown, but it has cosmetic grade clays in there. And any substance it comes in contact with, it actually changes color. So you can see the soap is changing red as it absorbs all those oils. Add a little bit of water in there. It's going to start to sud up like a real soap. It's got a nice lather to it, a good scrubbing texture. And there we have it. All the red and blue oil is gone. No nasty odor or residue left behind. Just to show you, we'll do the old sticky test. Nothing left behind. So if you guys are ever working with these types of products and get it on your hands, be sure to check out gripclean.com or check us out on Amazon. Check out the links below and you can get the product for yourself.